Hello ladies and gentlemen, so in this video I'm going to show you how to compile C programs and maybe C++ programs using the command line tool, how to do the compilation process manually. So in this video it's going to be demonstrating the process on Windows. If you're using Linux or Mac OS, then you can check the next videos. I'm going to be demonstrating the same processes. So the first thing you have to do basically is make sure that you've already installed CodeBlocks, because when you install CodeBlocks, it'll auto-install the compilers that you're going to use to compile. And if I go here to the C folder, and there's program files here, and inside it there's CodeBlocks. And inside it there is a folder called MinGW. Actually, this is the folder that contains all the compilers and the toolchain. So inside it there's a bunch of libraries and folders. But there's also a folder called bin, which stands for binaries. So as you can see here, there's the C++, there's the J++, which is the compiler of the C++ language. There's the GDB, which is the debugger. There's the GCC, which is the C compiler, the GNU C compiler. So basically we're going to be using the GCC to compile our C programs. So there's a way to do that. You can go to File here and open up a command prompt, and the command prompt will be opened to this directory. So if you're not using Windows 10 or 8 and you do not have this feature to access this folder from the command line directly, then you can basically open up a command prompt and then you can navigate to that folder. So type in cd and then basically first go to the cd dot, which will take you to the previous folder, and do that again, which will take you to the C drive. And basically we have to go to program files x86, and you can hit the tab to autocomplete that for you. So if I type in tab, it shows me the possibilities. So I'm going to press OK here, and now I'm inside the program files folder. Now I'm going to go to the CodeBlocks folder, and then I'm going to go to the MinGW and then bin. So MinGW and then bin folder. And if I type in dir, it'll show me all the files inside that folder. Now since I'm inside that folder, I can access the GCC or the J++, and as you can see, if I type in J++, it shows me some text here tells me GCC fatal error, no input files, and so on, meaning that we've been able to successfully access the GCC. Now if you'd like to access GCC from any folder, you have to add GCC to the environment variable, and that is pretty straightforward process. So just close this command line and then go to this PC and then right click on your mouse and then go to properties, and as you can see there's here advanced system settings, so click on that, and you can find here the environment variables, so click on that, and here inside the system variables there's some variable here called path. So just click on that and click edit, and that will allow you to add a new path. So click new here to type in a path there, and the path that you have to type in is basically the link here, the path of the binary folder. So just go to the folder where you find the GCC and all the stuff and copy that, and then pasted it here and press OK and OK and OK. Now if I type in the if I open the command line prompt again and I type in GCC just from the any folder, I type in GCC and press enter, as you can see it can find the compilers. So basically I'm going to create a simple, in fact I'm going to copy paste this very simple example. So hello world, I'm going to copy that over, and I'm going to open up Notepad. It could be Notepad or Notepad++, it doesn't really matter. And I'm going to create a new file here. Let's save the file. So save as. Then I'm going to save that onto the desktop, and then I'm going to call it test.c. Then I'm going to paste my code, and then I'm going to save it. Now I have this code files stored on the desktop, so it's C colon user and my username, and then the desktop, and then the file. So we have to go to that desktop, and then we're at the desktop. If I type in dir, it's going to show me all the files, but I already know that there is a file called test there. So I'm going to just type in gcc, and then the name of the file, and then -o, which stands for output, and then the name of the file that I want to produce. Let's say it's test.exe. And then I'm going to press enter, and it shows no message back, which means that the program has been compiled successfully. Now I can type in test.exe and press OK, and as you can see, it prints hello world. So it's been able to compile and execute the program. So basically that's it for how to compile C. If you like to compile C++, instead of typing GCC, just type in J++. It's the exact same command, just here replace that with J++, and as you can see, it can compile the same code. So that's it for this video. See you the next time.